Want a bigger chest? Do these. Decline chest press 3 by 12. Dumbbell pullover 3 by 10. Superset with bench press 3 by 10. If you can do more than 10, keep going. Dumbbell chest press 3 by 8. Make sure to go heavy here. Cable flies 3 by 12. If you get tired, hit a few partial reps. Good work. See you tomorrow.